How to share your route with others using OS Maps. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to share your route with others using OS Map. In order to share your route with others using OS Map, you have to follow this step. First of all, make sure that you're logged into your OS Map account. When you're logged into your account, now you can go and navigate through the route you want to share, or you can either create a new route or select an existing one from your saved route. Just go ahead and select create a route, or then you can just go ahead and navigate to your route. So let's say that I'm on the site. Once you have the route open, look for an option or an icon that allows you to share it. This may be represented by a share button or an icon, just like that. And then you can go ahead and click on the share option. This will typically open a menu with different sharing options. Now you can go ahead and choose the message you like to prefer or share the route. This could include options such as sharing via email, messaging app, and all that. And now you can go ahead and follow the prompt to complete the sharing process. And depending on the method you've selected, you may need to select the contact or email address and all that. Once you've selected the desired sharing method and the recipient and confirm the sharing action, your route will then be shared with a chosen individual or made accessible by the link. So by following this step, you can easily share your route with others using OS Map, allowing them to view and follow the same route on their device. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.